The iPhone 18 Pro Max is now reportedly in production testing as of late February 2026 ET, and iPhone 18 Pro Max leaks are flooding in from every direction. Apple has not confirmed a single official detail yet, but analysts, supply chain insiders, and reliable leakers together have built one of the most complete pre-announcement pictures we've ever seen for an iPhone. From the iPhone 18 Pro Max release date and design changes to the A20 Pro chip, 200mm mirror battery, and groundbreaking camera upgrades, this is everything we know so far about Apple's next flagship. iPhone 18 Pro Max release date, September 2026 if. You're wondering, when is the iPhone 18 Pro Max coming out? The answer from most major analysts is clear. September 2026. Highly reliable Apple watchers, including Ming-Chi Kuo Jeff Pu of GF Securities, Mark Gurman of Bloomberg have all converged on a familiar early September keynote window for the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. Current expectations based on multiple reports. Announcement date, around September 9th 10, 2026, pre-orders open. Immediately after the keynote release date, in-store availability, around September 18th 19, 2026. This puts the iPhone 18 Pro Max squarely into Apple's traditional fall release window, keeping it aligned with back-to-school and holiday shopping cycles. iPhone 18, lineup, Pro Max, Fold, and a new staggered rollout. The iPhone 18 family is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious and diverse lineups Apple has ever launched. According to leaks and analyst reports, the full iPhone 18 lineup is expected to include iPhone 18, iPhone 18e, low-cost budget model, iPhone 18, iPhone 18, Pro iPhone 18 Pro, Maxiphone 18 Fold, all new foldable iPhone. What makes the iPhone 18 generation especially interesting is not just the number of models, but how Apple is rumored to release them. Staggered iPhone 18. Launch schedule. Current expectations suggest September 2026, iPhone 18, iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro, Maxiphone 18 Fold Spring 2027, iPhone 18, iPhone 18. If these leaks are accurate, this would be one of the biggest departures from Apple's traditional all-major models in September strategy. A staggered rollout could help Apple. Give the iPhone 18 Pro Max and iPhone 18 Fold more spotlight, spread production and supply chain pressure across 2 seasons, target different price segments at different times of the year for buyers. It means the high-end iPhone 18 Pro Max release date is still in September 2026, while the more affordable iPhone 18 and iPhone 18e may not arrive until spring 2027. iPhone 18 Pro Max design, smaller dynamic island and new colors design is one of the biggest talking points around the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Apple is not expected to overhaul the entire body, but several key visual and functional changes are rumored. Smaller dynamic island on February 24, 2026 ET. Bloomberg reported that the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max will feature a noticeably smaller dynamic island. This is the pill-shaped cutout at the top of the display that houses the front-facing camera Face ID sensors. Other front-facing components, multiple sources, including Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, well-known Weibo leakers are now in agreement. Apple is shrinking the dynamic island, not removing it entirely. What a smaller dynamic island means for users: more usable screen real estate for videos, games, and full-screen apps, a more immersive viewing experience, a cleaner, more refined look while still retaining Face ID and dynamic island features. It keeps the identity of modern iPhones while moving one step closer to the all-screen iPhone future. New iPhone 18 Pro Max colors, according to Weibo leaker Digital Chat Station. The iPhone 18 Pro models, including the Pro Max, are expected to come in new, more premium color options. Coffee purple, burgundy. Notably, leaks suggest there may not be a black color option, just as there was no true black for the iPhone 17 Pro. Instead, Apple appears to be leaning harder into deep, rich tones that still feel professional but stand out more than classic space black. These rumored colors give the iPhone 18 Pro Max a more luxurious aesthetic, especially when paired with the stainless steel or titanium-like finishes Apple has used on Pro models. Display size and technology screen size is expected to remain at 6.9 inches on the iPhone 18 Pro Max. However, it's not just about size. The Pro Max is rumored to use an upgraded LTPO Plus display. LTPO Plus technology allows for smoother adaptive refresh rates. It can ramp up to very high refresh rates for fluid scrolling, and gaming it can ramp down to ultra-low refresh rates to save battery when the screen is static. This should translate into silky smooth animations and scrolling improved power efficiency, better always-on display behavior, if Apple continues to support it. In short, while the iPhone 18 Pro Max might keep the same 6.9-inch footprint, the smaller dynamic island, new colors, and LTPO Plus display tech together make it feel like a refined next-generation Pro Max design. iPhone 18 Pro Max specs: A20 Pro chip, 5200mAh battery and 12GB RAM under the hood. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of the biggest performance jumps in years, especially around AI and battery life. A20 Pro chip on 2nm. The iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max are expected to debut Apple's next-generation A20 Pro chip, reportedly. Built on a 2nm process, moving from 3nm to 2nm typically brings higher performance at the same power level, lower power consumption at the same performance level, better thermals, and sustained performance under heavy workloads. For everyday users, the A20 Pro should mean faster app launches, smoother multitasking, more headroom for gaming, video editing, and better handling of on-device AI tasks, including Apple Intelligence features for power users, creators, and gamers. The combination of a 2nm A20 Pro chip and iOS 20 could make the iPhone 18 Pro Max one of the most capable smartphones ever released. Massive 5200 mAh battery. One of the standout iPhone 18 Pro Max specs from leaks is the battery size. Reports suggest the Pro Max could pack a 5200 mAh battery, the largest ever in an iPhone. To support this, Apple is rumored to be allowing for a slightly thicker chassis, trading a bit of thinness for significantly better endurance. What a 5200 mAh battery could mean in real life. Genuine multi-day battery life for light to moderate users' all-day heavy usage, gaming, 5G, video, camera, without anxiety, less frequent charging cycles, potentially improving long-term battery health combined with the more efficient A20 Pro 2nm chip, improved LTPO Plus display efficiency, a more power-friendly modem and wireless stack. The iPhone 18 Pro Max battery life could become one of its biggest selling points and a key differentiator from smaller iPhone 18 models. 2GB RAM. Across the lineup, another major rumor. All iPhone 18 models, including the iPhone 18 Pro Max, are expected to ship with 12GB of RAM. More RAM means better multitasking, more apps staying active in the background. Smoother performance with heavy workflows, more headroom for on-device generative, AI-improved stability for pro-grade apps like video editors, DAWs, design tools, and games with iOS 20 expected to be optimized for Apple Intelligence and AI-driven features. 12GB RAM positions the iPhone 18 Pro Max as a device designed to handle the next wave of mobile computing workloads, iOS 20 and Apple Intelligence. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to launch with iOS 20 in fall 2026 ET. Early expectations suggest deeper integration of Apple Intelligence across the system. More advanced on-device generative AI features, smarter photo, video, and language tools, better background efficiency management together. The A20 Pro, 5200 mAh battery, 12GB RAM, and iOS 20 optimizations could finally deliver what many users have wanted for years. A genuinely multi-day flagship iPhone under heavy modern usage. iPhone 18 Pro Max camera, variable aperture. A first for iPhone camera upgrades have become the centerpiece of every Pro Max release, and the iPhone 18 Pro Max camera rumors suggest Apple is ready to push things even further with technology borrowed from high-end cameras. Variable aperture main camera. According to Weibo leaker Digital Chat Station, the iPhone 18 Pro Max and only the Pro Max is expected to feature a camera with a mechanically adjustable variable aperture, similar to what you'd find on traditional DSLR or mirrorless cameras.